Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the details of the best products to elevate your celebrations. Today, we're talking about what I consider to be the best holiday-themed lanterns available right now. The Retisee 18 PC's Christmas Hanging Paper Lanterns Party Decorations. If you're looking to instantly transform your home into a festive winter wonderland, this set might just be what you need. This holiday decor set comes with 18 pieces, offering a rich variety of hanging ornaments designed specifically for Christmas and winter parties. Each piece is made from high-quality paper and features bright, cheerful holiday colors, red, green, and white, capturing the joyful essence of the season. The set includes honeycomb ball lanterns, peppermint swirl paper fans, and candy cane-themed hangings. All designed to be lightweight yet visually impactful. Let's talk about the aesthetics. The peppermint paper fans and candy cane motifs immediately stand out with their charming and nostalgic holiday look. These are not just random designs, they're classic Christmas visuals that evoke warmth and celebration. The honeycomb balls add a delicate 3D texture that bounces beautifully under lights, making ceilings come alive with color and movement. Whether you're decorating your living room, classroom, office, or a party hall, this set has enough variation and volume to fill up the space stylishly without feeling repetitive. Even though they're paper-based, the construction feels durable and well-crafted. They're designed to hang easily and fold back down after use, which means you can reuse them next year. Assembly is simple. Most items in the pack pop open and attach with included strings or adhesive tabs. You won't need any special tools or hours of setup. Just unfold, hang, and enjoy. The colors are vivid and don't bleed or fade easily, even when placed under bright indoor lighting. What makes the Retisee lanterns special is their versatility. You can hang them from ceilings, windows, doorways, or even use them as table centerpieces if you're creative. They're perfect for Christmas dinners, holiday photo booths, office parties, or winter-themed birthdays. And because they're paper, you won't be dealing with heavy or fragile decor that requires extra care. Plus, if you love making your space Instagram-worthy during the holidays, these lanterns will help create that eye-catching background. There are a lot of Christmas decor items out there, but what sets this Retisee pack apart is the blend of variety, theme consistency, and simplicity. It's rare to find a pack where each piece complements the next while still offering unique shapes and patterns. You don't have to go shopping for additional pieces or worry about clashing themes. Everything in this pack works together. And considering you're getting 18 pieces, the value for the price is impressive. So if you're looking for festive, easy to use, and visually stunning Christmas decorations, the Retisee 18 PC's Christmas Hanging Paper Lanterns are a fantastic choice. They bring charm, color, and holiday cheer in one convenient package. This has been another festive find from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews. See you next time, and happy decorating!